Free training, how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. And without any experience, technical skill, or a huge upfront investment. Exclusive free training with Matt Parr. What you'll be learning in this live free training, you'll be discovering how to run 9 different YouTube channels and make $30,000 a month from them by Matt Parr. Check out the link in description now. Here's a bit about Matt. Matt Parr is 19 years old, runs 3 companies, and 9 YouTube channels. He's gotten over 300 million views across all his different channels and has received the gold play button for reaching 1 million subscribers on his top channel and multiple silver play buttons for hitting 100,000 subscribers on multiple other channels. Now he also runs Above Par Training Technologies, which is an online education company teaching others how they can do the same. Check out the link in description now and I will see you inside.